Hello everybody, welcome to Sammy's and our Sammy's International Meatball Festival, which is coming up on October 4th, Sunday, and we're all making our little videos, so I'm doing a little video here to show you how I make my meatballs. It's a little recipe. If you want to take it down and improvise a little bit, go right ahead. But first of all, you got to have a glass of wine with any preparation that you're doing, because it makes the food taste better. And it makes you feel better too. So, chin chin, salud. Now we get started. All right, what I got here is just small portions. Usually it's a pound of ground beef, a pound of pork, ground pork. But I did half a pound. So we got 1 pound. So what we want to do first is let's season a little bit. So we put some salt, pepper. Make sure you get enough in there. All right, now, what we do, I always start with the fresh garlic, about 4 or 5, so if you like more, you put more. While less, you put less. And then we do chop the onions. You want more, you put more. You want less, you put less. And then the fresh basil. That's what you want to put in, is about half a cup. All right. Get that here. Now, what you want to do when you're doing a regular recipe, you're probably going to do about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and I like cheese. That's where the flavor is. So I usually use about ½ cup of Parmesan. Nice fresh Parmesan, like so. You have 2 eggs. That's your binding. Put it in here, like so. Okay. Now, you always want to use your hands. Hands are better than anything to mix. So, I always kind of watch things. You want about a 2-ounce meatball. And I always feel it's just the palm of my hand. Get like so. Make it nice like so. Look at that. Perfect meatball. Again, we do it. Nice. And a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground pork, probably make about 24 meatballs. So that's good for me. I don't know what else you're going to eat, but 24 is good for me. A lot of people like to bake them off for about 10-15 minutes and put a little brown on them, or put them directly into the sauce. I prefer directly into the sauce, but I do it both ways too. But some way I just like it in the sauce. It just seems to make the meatball more tender. It flavors the sauce. So that's the options that you have. So either way, now I'm going to take some out, put these in, and we're going to taste. Okay? See in a minute. We're got some here cooking off. So we're going to bring them out so everybody can have a taste. Hopefully it's an award-winning meatball. I don't know. We got a lot of competition this year. But whoever you vote for, get your vote out, so that way we can collect the money for the kids. Every vote is worth money, but I know when you do that, you're going to feel very special because that money goes to the kids. And we thank you for your support. God bless you. Bon appetit.